Your AC is a workhorse. Let's take good care of it. But first, let's verify. Do you have central air or do you have a heat pump? Because if you rely on the same machine to give you heat, don't winterize that. Look at the model number. If HP is in the number, you have a heat pump. Also, you should probably make sure that the maintenance we're talking about doesn't void your warranty. That would be bad. With that said, if you do maintenance on your AC unit, always turn off the power at the breaker box. The last thing you need to do right now is get zapped like you're Tim the Toolman Taylor. You can use a hose to clean the unit. We want to keep it free of dirt, leaves, and any other debris. You can also put a cover on it. The idea behind a cover, though, comes with a caveat. Most manufacturers tell you not to cover the whole unit. They actually recommend what looks more like a roof to the unit. Something like this. Thanks for watching. On the next video, we tackle critical refrigerator maintenance. We'll see you then.